right, I'm back. So let's do a couple more practice till, I guess, ultimately you have to practice some. We can do every single element in the periodic table as part of our learning. That's really not learning. You can only learn so much, and then you have to extend that knowledge to learn, to further your knowledge. Okay, so let's go pick another element from the periodic table. So how about let's pick, say, potassium. Okay, let's come back. Okay, so it's potassium, right? All right, let's go ahead and write potassium here. Again, the sequence we're trying to develop is purely for the electrons. So the neutrons and the electrons, we can deal with them later, okay, because they're easy. So potassium has an atomic number of 19, okay, 19. What does 19 tell us? 19 tell us something about potassium. What that means is it's got 19 protons and 19 electrons. Is that correct? Right? Again, I'm staying in touch with what I have taught you. I'm not teaching you something new every single time. Okay, so 19 protons and 19 electrons. Now if we go back to our sequence, where is potassium? It's in the 4th row, right? That means we got to get through 3 rows first. All right, so that means we had to have gone past 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, and 3p, and if you notice, okay, that's where I reach my destination station. Okay, I have to get through this many stations to get to my sodium station, which is 4s. Okay, now if you see, as I said, this sequence or the structure which would lead us into our electronic configuration is primarily for the electrons, and I said you always go from the left to the right. Okay, which means you got 19 electrons, and we can see right above s orbital can hold a 2 electron maximum, another s orbital following it that can also hold 2, p can hold 6, so I'm going to give 6, okay, because we got to get to 19. S again can hold only 2 more, okay. P orbital can hold again a maximum of 6. Now at this point stop adding electrons and start counting, okay, so you don't want to go over or under. So 2 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 6, what does that add up to? 6 plus 2 is 8, 14, 16, 18. We're short of that 1 electron. Now you're probably starting to see the trend. We need 1 more to make it 19, right? That means S can take 1 more, okay, because it can hold a maximum of 2. When I add that, bingo, we have our sequence 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1. Okay, let's do one more example just to get this idea ingrained in our head. Obviously, I can't do 20 different examples because that will be part of your quiz and homework, because that's where you really train yourself. This is just for you to learn. Okay, so let's do one more example. So I'm going to switch screens and I'll see you back with another example.